Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 12. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. What is the difference between eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound organelles, including a nucleus. Eukaryotics can be single-celled or multi-celled, such as you, me, plants, fungi, and insects. Bacteria are an example of prokaryotes. Prokaryotic cells do not contain a nucleus or any other membrane-bound organelle. Which biological molecule is not a part of a cell's membrane? Nucleic acid. Isotopes have a different number of neutrons. The organelles are responsible for phagocytosis. Filled with digestive enzyme is the lysosomes. What molecule is a nucleic acid? This molecule controls protein synthesis and storage genetic information. DNA. If a cell lacked ribosomes, it would not be able to synthesize proteins. The control group should be treated with the placebo only in a scientific experiment. The control group should be designated. What carbohydrate is used most in cells? Glucose. The movement of water across a membrane from an area of low solute can go to high solute concentration. Osmosis. What is an organic molecule? Glucose or carbon? Hydrogen bonds are essential for life. They are weak chemical bonds because they can be broken when temperature increases and pH changes. The pH scale reflects the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. Proteins are broken apart into monomers that are amino acids. A sample of muscle tissue is placed in a solution of salt water. The salt does not move across the plasma membrane of the muscle cells, but water does transfer through the membrane. Osmosis. Is the sum of all of the chemical reactions in the organism. Metabolism. Energy cache. ATP. Cilia. Hair-like things in the cell. Flagella. Longer strands in the cell that extend from the surface. Nucleus. Controls the cell. viscose, membrane-bound storage and shipping containers, water potential, measurement of potential energy in water, dear friends, thank you for using human biology. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.